Foam traps particles and debris for mechanical filtration. Tailored fit prevents bypass. Provides biological filtration as friendly bacteria grow inside pore structure. Replacement media designed to fit the AquaClear 30 filter. Suitable for both freshwater and saltwater aquariums up to 30 gallons. Includes one AquaClear 30 foam filter insert. AquaClear 30 foam filter insert as replacement filter media for the AquaClear 30 power filter. The AquaClear 30 foam filter insert is a mechanical filter media that effectively removes particles and debris from aquarium water. It also prevents particulate waste from prematurely clogging other media in the filter. Primarily a mechanical filtration media, it also provides powerful biological filtration as friendly bacteria eventually grow inside its pore structure. Exclusively designed for the AquaClear 30 power filter, the foam inserts are safe for fresh and saltwater aquariums. AquaClear creates a wide variety of products for freshwater tanks such as fish tank accessories, fish tank decorations, and aquarium filter media that is perfect for large and small fish tanks. Top reviews from the United States. They do their job and they work for their intended purpose and they're cheap, so what's not to like? But in addition, they so happen to be the best thing ever for scrubbing scum and algae of the inside of a tank. No idea why, but a light scrub makes easy work of a surface that usually requires aggressive elbow grease with a purpose-built aquarium scrubber.